Hi friends, today I have a Samsung brand digital inverter top loading 10 kg machine. It's having always showing UE error message, and we will try to troubleshoot the problem. Actually, exactly this problem with the machine while spinning time, the fabric goes unbalanced. Because of that only showing. We will check here. It's continuously occurring the as same. We have to replace the force dampers, springs, but anyway we will check what was the problem exactly. We have to check first with some fabric and without fabric. First we will check empty drum without any fabric, and power on, and we will go for the spin, and it shows 3 minutes 12 minutes, and we will start. This machine is DD motor inverter without belt. Yes, without any problem, machine is starting to spring. And remaining time showing now 9 minutes remaining time. Now RPM is increasing. It will happen at customer house machine. After install the machine, if should be proper balance for legs, otherwise also it will come with the load while spinning time UE error. Now empty drum is running properly without any problem, smoothly increasing RPM. The time is now remaining 8 minutes. Now it's sure it's not coming UE error, it's mean unbalanced error. Drum is rotating perfectly. Now we will stop the machine. Stop the machine. Now what I am going to do, I will check with the one blanket. It is a wet blanket, and we will check what will happen. First I am going to do, it's keeping one side, it's like this, and we will check what will happen. Now starting, and go for spin. Start the machine, and now we will check what will happen. Its machine will go unbalanced, and at the same time it will show unbalanced error. Yes, now again it's showing unbalanced error because of the fabric only one side. This side is empty. Because of that, now again what I am going to do, I am arranging fabric properly inside the drum. It's like this. Again we will start the machine. Now start again. Now fabrics, the blanket, it goes properly. I think it's proper balance now. Now it's running properly without any problem, increasing RPM also. Now it's remaining time showing 8 minutes. This is the problem actually. The customer while using washing, maybe he is using only the one towel or two towel. Because of that machine drum not balanced, because of that showing UE error. Also what I want to say, what I want to tell you, if any this type of machine, any top loader machine, it's showing unbalanced error, you have to do stop the machine and open the door. You have to arrange properly until getting balance. You have to arrange your fabric and restart the machine. For example, this LG brand machine top loading, it's while it will go for the unbalance, machine will get stop and automatically it will start again wash. Because of that I am telling to you, you have to look at the drum, and like this it should be proper balance, otherwise machine not running actually. The while spinning at that time getting unbalanced and showing error message. Now without any message, machine is running properly. Now remaining time only showing 6 minutes. Within 6 minutes it will get stopped, and now increasing again, increasing RPM. This video actually I want to show the customer. Because of that only I am very careful this one doing video. I have to explain to the customer. Now without any problem, now machine is running well. If showing UE error, don't call the technician. Just try to resolve the problem by yourself. No need to waste unnecessary your money. This is the problem. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Also ring the bell icon.